Gangsters, good morning. Let's get some of these levels marked out real quick. Basically just London lows. There's lows taken type deal. 1 hour. Taking it slow today, right? Hopefully we catch a good old trade. Get some money going, but we're just gonna ride this slow. Asia's high. Mirror this real quick. Catch this hourly high. And then figure out what I got. Let's see what we got. Good morning. Good morning. The market has done basically the same thing these last 2 mornings. When we've woken up, it is show you here in a minute here. These lows. Looks like this kind of divergence going on here. One is 1 hour. So we got some stacked highs here. I think Nasdaq's already taken out. All right, that'll do. Okay, market's done the same kind of deal last 2 days. It's opened up, gone up, taken out something, come back down, reverse back up, same deal, gone up, come back down, gone back up. A little heavier on the ES as well. So today what we're looking for, we get on the 1 hour here, just push past this 1 hour fair value gap, so I'm maybe a little little search down here, come down, look for some liquidity, and then maybe see us come back up. Yes, we got a lot of stacked highs here, so I could see that as a valid option. Otherwise, we come back up here, hit a key level, show confirmation of coming back down, and we come down to take out these lows and fill out these gaps. I think we want to come up here. We do have a bearish SMT as Nasdaq's taking these highs over here, and ES has not. So we'll look for that. We'll look for confirmation, and we'll just kind of go from there. On the 5 minute, Nasdaq's getting a nice little push down. A little chang, push down, took out these lows, and went up, and it's coming up for these highs. So basically at this point I want to see what happens, when London high gets taken. If it's just a runaway day, there'll be that too. We come up, take these London highs, come back down. Nasdaq and ES have been pretty uncorrelated. They've, one or the other has been lagging a bit, so we shall just kind of wait and see here. A little RTY action. RTY looks kind of queued up. Let's actually see here. I'd be down to take a trade on RTY today. Yeah. A little level down here. Let's see what happens. It'd be fun. RTY is a good one. Let's see. No levels really down here. I got a level down there. That's what it's kind of actually coming. shorts. We got print here. Let us see. If RTY comes up and then comes back down and bounces off this level, I might just take it just for fun, really. Back up to this level. We'll watch. Let's see. Alright. Damn. NASDAQ comes up, takes London high right away. Could just be one of those days. We do have news at 10. Oh, so does ES. ES comes up, takes London high. NASDAQ take London high. What do we got news-wise here? September 4th. Oh, I guess we don't really have too much news. Oh, okay, yeah, we have ISM Services PSI. Okay. Not too bad about it, though. And then we just have like gas storage, crude oil. Quite a bit of stuff going on. Alright. NQ, ES, both come up, take London high. That also puts NQ at, I think, a higher time frame SMT here. Oh, no, didn't quite take that yet. But, look at ES. ES came up, take that. So there is a divergence here. But let's see, it's, there's not too much structure here. See RTY is doing. RTY is coming up. Set a notification here. See what happens when it comes back to opening print. I don't know why I like RTY today. Came back in, swept all this liquidity, tapped into this fair value gap, and now I could see some upside potential on this. Still using this 25K straight to funded account from Tradeify, which just maxes you out at 1 mini. Not the biggest fan. Here's a problem too I'm having with just prop accounts in general is the consistency rule is just not ideal. As a trader, you want to take advantages of the opportunities that present themselves, especially if it's a good opportunity. You want to let your runners run. And you want to let your just winners win, And so, unfortunately, especially with this 25K account, having to pull my trade no matter what at $400 profit, because it's 20% consistency, kind of sucks. And it definitely hinders the process a little bit. You have to be super selective with your trades, and you also have to keep your winning days super, super small. So if $400 is your max win day, like even yesterday when I took that loss for $294, that was a lot, because I can only make $400. So if I make another $400, I'm only gonna be up $200 or whatever. So it's kind of bummer, but I'm gonna load some money up into a live account here pretty soon and just start trading that way. It just makes a little bit more sense. RTY with the runaway. God, we were so close to. We'll see though. Just wants to take that and then maybe come back down. Who knows? We'll see. I don't know why. I just liked RTY. Looks good. It's playing out. It's playing out big time. Turn this brightness up a bit. Do. So London High's out of here. Ran this fair value gap. It's kind of ugly a little bit. We have a divergence, so maybe we want to come back down here. Two-minute divergence. We don't have our change in the state to like down here. Coming by that. Alright. Didn't get the change in the state close. Always doing that, bro. Be down right before the candle closes, they come back up. So expect a little retrace here. You also want to look at a key level here and see what price does around it. Right? You have your opening print just to kind of see what it's going to do around that, how it reacts. ES coming back down, still standing above opening print, closed above this gap here. Small time frame. Small time frame SMT. So we did now. I like it on Q a little bit, but just like it's not. So we want to come down and get these. Yesterday's low. Previous day's low down here. Alright, we get to tap into this. Just gonna have to be a little patient here. I'm feeling like if we come up and we run this, just come back down and then shift, I might want to take that. But we still really haven't had our change in the state. Or a market structure shift or anything, really. So, gonna have to wait this one out a little bit. The price is looking pretty strong. Where's our weekly high at? Previous weekly high. Back up here. Do. Let's see what RTY did. Okay. Reacted off that level. Who knows, man? Who knows? RTY, I'm telling you, something about it today. Get this high up here in this level. Wow. Might have to take it. We'll see. Well, it hit our signal. If we get a 2-minute buy, I'll take it. 2-minute buy signal. Back up off the level, I'll take it. We'll see. What is this? Someone asked me that. Alright. And key, yes, and key came back down. I don't know. It's just like maybe it wants to come up and take these highs. ES definitely looks like it. Just not like a really great entry for me. Two eyes on the dump. There it goes. Take this off now. Kind of validated, you know. Whoa. Okay, so what do we got here? We got so this shift here, 1 minute. 2 minute, comes back down, damn. This is trippy, man. This is kind of like yesterday. Price is moving all over the place. So let's just wait. Let's just wait here. Especially because, I mean, look how close NASDAQ is to these London lows. And ES is off, so maybe NASDAQ comes out, makes these London lows, and we can set something up from there. I'll let that come down, take that London low, run that gap. Trying to close that. Oof, man, just crazy. Oh boy. Oh God, makes me want to try it. I don't know, bro. I just want to try RTY. I think I'm gonna do it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, right off the bat. I don't want the execution mark on there. Let's see. RTY. Something about RTY. Is this just like a one and done kind of deal? We're taking one trade here. Yeah, pretty much. Stop at this low. Target these highs. This level. I mean, we will definitely, if we get up there, we will. What's going on here? Oh. So we will definitely, if we get up here, right? We have this high up here. We'll see what's going on around there. But yeah, I don't know. Saw R2I and just kind of liked it. If it works, sweet. I like it. Come down. It kind of comes down in this 2 minute. Comes down here. Get a big wick. Reaction off that opening print. 2 minute buy. See what happens. Might fail, might not. But we'll let that ride. Yes, and NQ to me today are just looking a little bit like undecisive, especially because in these last few days, right, we've had some pretty decent move up. So I mean, I could expect a good consolidation day, or maybe, maybe if I really wanted longs, like I'd really like to see London low get taken out, and a divergence between the two, but. We'll let RTY do its thing here. We'll see what happens. I like that. Kind of came down, swept this out. So we'll see. Might get smoked. It's not looking too good. But we said, if we get the 2 minute trigger on RTY, we'll take it. But we're gonna want some motion to the upside here. Damn, YM's looking strong too. Let us see. Oof, I don't know. I need some motion here. NQ's failing. ES is failing. Oh man, I'll head back to California in like 4 days. Been in Hawaii for like 28 days or something. It's kind of nuts. It's been an amazing trip. We love Hawaii. We want to live here someday, but yeah, you know, at some point, like when you're at a hotel for almost a month, you're like, oof, you know, I like to get back and get in the swing, and get back in my routine, and do that kind of deal, you know. Get back in the gym. They have a nice gym here, but it's just sometimes it's like hard to fit the routine. I mean, especially at like 3 a.m. It's weird, you know. It's like you can't really like go to the gym before the market opens because you'd be waking up at like 2. It's just not practical. So like to go after, but then I start working, and then it's like you're also just kind of like wiped from waking up at 3. So yeah, who knows? What are we doing here? Yeah, maybe it's kind of just holding up. Maybe NQ comes down, takes these London lows out. See, I'm kind of chilling. If we're in this RTY position and it ends up stopping me out, that probably means that NQ comes down and takes these London lows, and ES doesn't. So if we come down and do that, I get stopped out of my RTY trade, then we would just be looking for a trade in that. But hey man, this RTY trade, you know, it's holding up here at this opening print. I'm telling you, there's something about these opening print, this opening print in this level system with RTY. I don't know. It still could fail, but you can see how price reacts around it. You know, we need to get some motion going though. We want to get some motion going. But let me know in the comments if anybody else trades RTY. I don't know what it is. I like RTY. I do. I do indeed. It's fun. It's fun. I don't know. It's a good time. Alright, we gotta push here. We have to push here. Alright, TY, come on now. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. Dude, I have this coffee here. I'm just staring at it, and I want to drink it, but I also want this RTY trade to just go straight to profit, and then just go back to bed. What are we doing here? Okay. So it's funny though. Doesn't always happen how you want. Alright, thank you. Yes. Dude, these look just wild. Oh my gosh, that's right, we have news. We have news in 1 minute. Holy smokes, I forgot about that. Not ideal. We kind of been hopping into trades before news, which is not ideal. But you know, that's showbiz, really. You know. I don't even remember what I was just talking about. Yeah, trade news. That's right. I got on my phone to check the news. See, I think this trade runs for... Oh, that's news, right? Whoa. we can only take like $400 or something. I think $415. We have to like. Fortunately, I'm not even gonna let it slip. We'll just do like 405. The target is up here, right? But we have to take it off here if it comes up there. So, God, I know it's the consistency rules. It doesn't even make sense. They want you to lose. Props want you to lose. Obviously, that's how they make money. You know, when they do a good job at it. But you know, we can work on risk management and consistency for sure. But you know, other than that, it's not ideal for the long run. I'm not sure about this. These are looking crazy. This looks like it wants to come down and takes London low, but whether it just sweeps London low and goes back up, who knows? RTY is looking funky. But I believe in RTY. Come on, RTY. Show the people. Did you hear that rooster? It's roosters all over the place. Just chickens in general. Chickens and roosters run Hawaii. There he is. Alright, holding strong at this level though. Right. So that's something to keep in mind here. We are rejecting, or not rejecting, but there's some resistance on this level here. As you can see, like this is a pretty tight resistance zone here. You know, and ideally, we don't want to see like what's going on right now. We'd ideally want to see, you know, price move through that. I bet you NQ, you know, London lows getting ran right now, which it has been. Okay, and ES is still sitting up here, looking crazy. NQ's taking London low. I mean, which is good for our trade. If it takes London low and then wants to come back up, RTI will. But how low does it want to go? You know, is the question here. But, shoot, I mean, we might, this RTY trade might take a while. Nice, looking pretty good right now. ES is pretty ugly. Super ugly. Nice little sweep of that. RTY's dumping. What? Come down, take these lows too. Okay, NASDAQ. Okay, NASDAQ. Do. I don't know. Part of me wants to cut it early, but in the name of the game, we gotta hold in. We gotta hold in there. Oh my gosh, are we just gonna dump now? Or are we gonna come down, take this low, and reverse? Yes, does ES want that London low too? Tell me you took it. Oh! We took that low. It's alright. If we get stopped out, we still have a little bit of opportunity left here. Oh! Dumping. There she goes. See, look at the way it reacted off that level here. You know what I mean? If we didn't get the push off there that we wanted, failed to go higher here. It's tough. Looks like we might eat that. Looks like we might eat that stop. Wow, no way. This is strong. This is super strong. NASDAQ needs to pivot if we're going to have any kind of luck here staying in. Whoa, look at, whoa. What are you gonna do, Nast? It looks like RT. I mean, it would make sense why RTY would want to come down here and take this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's watch it. She's getting swapped. There she goes. Okay. We're out on that. Little sweepy. It's dumping there. Ouch. Alright, what do we got? We got London lows. Got some movement here. London highs to London lows. To what? To previous day lows? Maybe. Skis. Showbiz this morning. RTY's on the dump. See, like the level system with RTY is unbeatable. You know, we took the try. What did news come back at? We don't even know. I'm guessing probably good, right? Since the market came down, the news was probably good. You know what I mean? That's how that works. ET2. It's greater than. What does that mean? Forex is some actual greater than forecast. Huh. Not sure. Whoa. Where the heck's London low down? Oh wait, this is RTY. Bummer on RTY. I love RTY. I still love RTY. I want RTY to work, but sometimes it's simply just showbiz. Alright, man. What are we doing here? This is shitty too, because it's just kind of ugly, you know. 1 minute change of the state here. Break a structure here. I can say is that my life's been pretty good. I do like this level high here. It came down, took that. On the low. Good morning.
Where are you from?
California. What about you?
Colorado.
Oh, okay, yeah. It's time to get up. Yeah, it's crazy.
Well, 2 hours ago.
Yeah. Telling you, 3 o'clock comes around. People don't know what to do with themselves. Yeah, if you're in New York, dude, I'm not even gonna try and do the math right now, but let's see, what time is it in New York? It's like 6 hours ahead. It's like 10 o'clock in New York. It's 10 o'clock in New York. It's 4 o'clock here. It's so crazy. All right. I mean, RTY could potentially want to go down to this level. So. Building out a little something here. Are we dumping today? Is that what we're doing? Are we? Is that what he wants to do? I'm not sure. I mean, if we're going long, should I say come down, take out these lows into this fair value? Yeah. We're gonna need some kind of shift structure here. Just price is just a little ugly though. Alright, we're taking out these London lows. Got this coming here. Mm-hmm. Let's see. RTY, tough cookie, I'm telling you. I like this. It's looking good. So, ideally, I like that for the reversal. Ideally, we come back down. Structure. Come back into this block here. I'm probably gonna take this actually. $42. That's what I'm going in with. Short stop here. Tight. What are we targeting? That was brutal. All right. Well, 340 today. Damn. brutal. Cooked. That's about all I can really take there. Tried for that reversal. ES wants to go lower. I mean, it came back up. We had a 1 minute, break of structure. It was worth a shot, right? Chase back in this order block, break of structure, closed above this. Just happens sometimes. I mean, this was a pretty strong move down. He traced into this, came back down, but sometimes that is showbiz. I'm not 100% convinced though that this wants to go back down. I'm not 100% sure. The manipulation here. If we run this for a value gap, I'll go in one more time. But it's got to be strong. It's got to be strong. Yeah. Let us see. Look at that. Chop City. I'll probably just go. We've done 390 and then where is that target? 6476. These people are so funny. They just like walk around. They don't know what to do with themselves. I mean, what? Just mitigate our loss? 247. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's not. Can make back up our loss. If it gets ran. Last stab here. Let us see. 6484. Oh, is that lined up? Alright. This is it. This is it, boys. What do we have? What do we got? This is it, gents. Taking it off, you know, this SMT here could fail, right? The trend's against us. Looking for this reversal off this SMT, right? We kind of were talking about that, especially like NASDAQ coming down, sweeping these lows into this fair value gap. We could see some movement back up to the other side. Wanted to take it on ES. I don't know why I've been stuck on ES, but I just have been with this divergence here, right? So that's our play. And we'll target these highs here. Stops to break even at this high. I guess what, like, high day. Right there. Yeah, probably at a high day. Stops to break even. Makes sense. I mean, this will put us, if we lose this out, our, definitely slightly over, like, a winning day, right? So we're sacrificing a winning day to lose, or a winning day to see if we can't make this. But it looks all right. I mean, it depends here, right? We got our ways to go. I like this here. Comes back down. Fails to go any lower, then starts to come back up here, right? So we want to see some movement up past here. We want to see a change in state, a break of structure. But I mean, this happened to me yesterday too, right? My first, I took like 3 trades. I only took 2 trades today? Yeah, I took 2 trades today, and then yesterday I took 3, and then the one presented itself, right? So it's just like, it's that patience thing, you know what I mean? We can all try and get better at that. I definitely can. And we'll just kind of see what happens. But but yeah, I mean, this could take a while, so not sure. I'm not sure. What do you guys think RTY is doing right now? Nothing. Wow. I thought RTY was just going to be rocketed up here. This is a fun indice. If you guys haven't tried trading RTY, give it a shot. It's like, it's super low. risk. Like, one RTY contract, you know, it's like, you know, I don't know. It's like a slower moving index, but I've gotten some really fun trades on RTY. I do like it. I do. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of RTY. We're catching the push here. Does it have the momentum to do it? What's NQ doing? NQ's lagging a bit. Do we have the momentum? To get up there? Is this a realistic target? Like, is this realistic? That's kind of a move. I mean, yeah. 484, right? That's what I'm going for, is it? Okay. Is it 484 on the dot? Because I'm not going to get edge there. It is. Okay. So. Amen, brother. I mean, it looks good, right? Came down. Key level. Liquidity sweep. Confirmations. At this point, dude, you just gotta let her cook. At this point, you just gotta let her cook. I'll have it, man. This is not ideal, though. Because remember we were talking about possibly going back to bed? Yeah. It's not looking, you know. Looks like we're going to be sitting this out for a while. So I'm wondering, like, especially with this video, am I just gonna keep it recording the whole time, or should I just come back when TP gets hit? Not sure. I've already been filming like an hour. Whoa. This might take a while. So, what I'll do is, I'll probably just stop the recording now, and then when a TP or stop loss gets hit later, I'll make, you know, the end video will recap it, and then we'll go from there. Because this might take a little while, so that's what we do. I'll peace out for now, and then I'll come back when either stop loss gets hit or TP gets hit, and we'll go from there. All right, gangy. All right, gangy. See you in a bit. We're cooking though for now. We're cooking. But still, I mean, we got ways to go. All right. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, gang array. I don't know how long it's been. It's probably, 30 minutes or something. Maybe a little bit more. We're getting close to our TP. I'm watching NASDAQ here. I want to see. NASDAQ. If NASDAQ hits these highs, it'll definitely take, I think. But we'll see. I don't want to see us take this high and ES doesn't hit TP. So hopefully it'll get up there and close out so we can be done with this. So maybe I can go take a little freaking nap. It's 5 in the morning. I've been sipping the nitrous. Just slow sipping those. I'm not, dude. Coffee makes me kind of anxious. It's probably because I'm sipping nitro. It's probably because I'm sipping nitrous. How much caffeine's in this thing? Doesn't it have to say somewhere? Contains natural caffeine. Right, but how many millis? How are you not going to tell me my dose? It doesn't even say. It's crazy. Is that even allowed? Hitting a lawsuit, baby. Wow, it doesn't say at all. Shit. Well, Nitro Cold Brew, you know there's about 300 in here. 200. Freaking knock your top off. Alright, yes, come on now. I'm done waiting around. I'm done waiting. Pop to the hills, to the flow. Yeah, run around. In this world, anything. You know what they call this? You know what they call this? Some would call this a bowl flag. Some. Hit the ripstick on this. Come on, fam. We were down 300 something bucks. Now we're up $90. If we break these highs, I'm just gonna move the stop up to here and just let that, if it hits, I don't even care, but at least we mitigated. So if we break these highs here, I'll just throw that joint up there just so we can get out of here, kind of deal. You know what I mean? Is it gonna break it? Didn't break it. Didn't break it. Break that thing. When Q wants to, go do it. Go break, go break, go break. See, ES and MNQ look different. I hate that. Or ES and MES. Alright, we broke it. We're just rolling it up there because we don't care. Because I'm not sitting through anymore. I'm kind of done. So it either goes up and hits TP right now, or we hit our stop and we finish in the positive for the day. But what a comeback. Go get it, ES. Come on now. What's NASDAQ? NASDAQ's on pop way. ES should hit it. We hit. We hit TP. Gang. Nice, we're done. Finished up 162. What a comeback. We were down like 340 or something at one point. Took this beautiful trade here at the bottom, right? Failed to go lower. Also, I was on some loopy loop. I had this marked out just as some random low. This was Asia low. So when we looked at NASDAQ, like NASDAQ had came down taking London low and Asia low, and then ES failed to come down and take Asia low. So after we had this like last manipulation and we closed above this fair value gap, I said, GG's, we're going to the moon. That's it. I also, looking back at it, reviewing, there was a potential short here on NQ as well when we came up and took London highs. Definitely like some kind of divergence here. London was looking lower, NQ was looking weaker, and we could have taken some kind of trade here as it came up and rebalanced into this range here. Came up, rebalanced, failed, and then honestly, like looking back at it, I should have measured out equilibrium here, and then if we got this 1 minute trigger, we just filled this fair value gap and then got this 1 minute trigger, I could have answered there, stops at the high. We could have just come down and take London and Asia out. But yeah, solid trade, back up, keeping us positive on the day, which was nice. Sometimes, you just got to battle it out. So a total of 3 trades a day. Came back, stayed patient on that last one, and just let it ride. Trust our our instincts, our intuition, and trust that we know where price is going to go, and just follow the signs it's given us. So anyways, appreciate you boys hanging out with me on this one. This was a long one, and I will see tomorrow's farm roll. What is it? Non-farm payroll. I don't know if I'm going to trade, especially Fridays are tough for me, so we'll see. I might just sit it out. What did we end the week down? Yeah, I mean, small loss this week, but we did have a decent comeback. So slow and steady wins the race. But all right, boys. Hope you guys made some money. If you didn't, hope you kept your losses tight. And I will see you boys soon.